Welcome back to Translate Ian. Have you ever needed to make a doctor's appointment but felt nervous about speaking English? Don't worry. Today, our fantastic teacher Hessam will guide you through the essential phrases and vocabulary you need to confidently schedule an appointment. Stick around until the end for some practical scenarios that will help you feel more comfortable when talking to medical professionals. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Hessam, and today we're going to learn how to make a doctor's appointment in English. Are you ready to dive in, Nima? Yes, I am. I always feel nervous when I have to call the doctor. That's completely normal. Let's start with some basic phrases. The first thing you need to say is, I would like to make an appointment. Can you try that? I would like to make an appointment. Great. You can also say, I need to see a doctor. Can you repeat that? I need to see a doctor. Perfect. Now let's talk about the reason for your visit. You can say, I have a problem with, can you try that? I have a problem with my back. Excellent. Now let's practice a full conversation. I'll be the receptionist at the doctor's office. Hi. I would like to make an appointment. Of course. What is the reason for your visit? I have a problem with my back. I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have a preferred doctor? Yes, I would like to see Dr. Smith. Great choice. When would you like to come in? I am available on Tuesday or Wednesday. Let me check the schedule. How about Tuesday at 3 p.m.? That works for me. Perfect. I've scheduled your appointment for Tuesday at 3 p.m. with Dr. Smith. Is there anything else I can help you with? No, that's all. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a great day. My name is Mima. Excellent. You might also need to give your phone number. You can say, my phone number is, can you repeat that? My phone number is 12345678890. Perfect. Now let's practice another scenario. Imagine you're confirming your appointment. Hi. I would like to confirm my appointment with Dr. Smith. Sure. Can I have your name, please? My name is Mima. Thank you, Nima. Your appointment is confirmed for Tuesday at 3 p.m. Thank you so much. Fantastic. You're getting the hang of it. Now let's talk about what to do if you need to cancel or reschedule your appointment. You can say, I need to cancel my appointment. Can you try that? I need to cancel my appointment. Great. You can also say, I would like to reschedule my appointment. Can you repeat that? I would like to reschedule my appointment. Excellent. Now let's practice a scenario where you're canceling an appointment. Hi. I need to cancel my appointment with Dr. Smith. I'm sorry to hear that. Can I have your name, please? My name is Mima. Thank you, Nima. Your appointment has been cancelled. Would you like to reschedule? Yes, I would like to reschedule for next week. Let me check the schedule. How about Wednesday at 2 p.m.? That works for me. Great. Your new appointment is for Wednesday at 2 p.m. Is there anything else I can help you with? No, that's all. Thank you. Excellent work, Nima. You're really improving. Now let's summarize what we've learned today. I will practice these phrases. That's the spirit. The more you practice, the easier it will become. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Translate EN for more useful English lessons. Keep practicing and remember that making a doctor's appointment is an important skill. See you next time.